Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Danny Hyun. Uh, I'm an English teacher in South Korea and running Danish English. This is my first time to make a video of YouTube in my YouTube channel. I'm not sure what kind of things I'm going to make for the future. I'm a little bit, nervous, and especially there are a lot of things in my mind, especially when it comes to English education. Not only English education, but also English learning as well, specifically in my country, in Korea, and my career path as well. I'm an English teacher. I have been teaching English for about almost 15 years, which is very long time. And I'm an English learner as well. I'm still struggling with improving my English proficiency almost every day. Today, I want to talk about how I have learned my own English and what is the purpose of opening my YouTube channel, like this. Back in 21, when I was in college, I was very struggling with a lot of things. I felt a lot of disappointment with myself or with my life, even with my college. At the time, I wanted something, uh, and I thought I found English language seemed a little bit fascinating to me. If I were able to speak English like, you know, someone who speaks English very well, my life could be changed in a better way. It seems like English language can play a game changer in my life. Since then, I have been studying in English and putting a lot of endeavors to improve my English speaking skills. I'm There are two kinds of age exist in Korea: international age and Korean age. My Korean age is 47, and international age probably 45. It's quite confusing. However, uh, that's why it is almost impossible to explain my life without my journey of learning and studying English language. Still, this time I'm not perfect English speaker. Since my first language is not English, my first language, of course, Korea. I'm from South Korea, so uh, I don't have almost technically no experience, no opportunities to use my English language, even though I'm an English teacher. As you, if you are South Korean English teachers, there's, you can imagine what English class looks like. There is no English, so ironically, right? Uh, as an English learner, and it's there is a very strong conviction, not only for myself, but my for career or my self-actualization. I really want to, you know, like, uh, I live with English language. Uh, English language is kind of mundane and ubiquitous in my life. I try to find a lot of like you know either small or like a meaningful or less meaningful, regardless of any situation. I try to find any opportunity to uh, practice English. Of course, my teaching included as well. I try to apply a lot of different method of approach to my teaching. uh, Currently, I'm teaching two groups. First of all, mainly I'm teaching Meister High School students, which is a vocational school. They have to find a job when they graduate, and the competition is very fierce. and English proficiency is required when it comes to receptive skills. And the second group is they are very less motivated, almost demotivated. Uh, One corporate, you know, employees located in my home city, Ulsan, which is the biggest industrial city in South Korea. So uh, I am responsible for their English learning and education as a job, and of course, directly related to my livelihood as well. Uh, I think as a non-native speaker, English language is very special. Especially, it opens up a lot of opportunities, no matter what kind of like a field you are working, uh, no matter like what kind of uh, life opportunities you might try to find. English or urge on a lot of doors in your career path in your future. So English is dominant language in this world and as a lingua franca. So it seems like without English language, it is almost technically impossible to validate your own assertion, I think. So that's why this is a reality, right? Uh, no matter how much your first language, for example, Chinese, right? Their population is like probably 1.5 billion. However, they always try to convey their main message through English language. So English language is very critical, is very important, is indispensable for any other languages in this world. So that's why, as a teacher, as a learner, there are a lot of things I want to talk about. Of course, my English is not 100% perfect. There must be a grammatical errors or they're like a little bit unnatural, flow, awkward, you know, expressions as well. However, uh, there are a lot of people who say, not only on YouTube, on in normal life as well, it only takes like 6 months or 1 year or even 3 months to be able to master English proficiency. Mm, In my case, that doesn't definitely apply to my life. As I told you, I'm late 40. It has taken more than 20 years until this level. So mm, also, of course, my improvement will be ongoing process from this time, until this time as well, even teaching English to my students. So, uh, mm, my plan to how to manage this YouTube channel is there are two kinds of main purposes. First of all, I'd like to share my own ideas about learning English or other, you know, things about Korean English education. Of course, I try to conduct in English, and also I the this is the one of the main reason why I opened this YouTube channel. This channel will be used a kind of supplementary material. As you see, this is my academy. It's a very small academy. So I'd like to provide a better, quality education service to my students who uh, are learning English from me. So that's why uh, that classes on YouTube channel, video classes, will be conducted in Korean. As I told you, mainly I'm teaching master high school students. They have to take a TOEIC test for their career, opening up their career, as a qualification. So that's why I am helping them to prepare for the test, teaching like grammar, vocabulary, reading skills. So mm, you can see how Korean people, specifically for my high school students, one main vocational school system in Korea, uh, teach English. This is how we teach English in Korea. Mainly, mm, you can get a glimpse about Korean education system through my channel. So, and also, I really want to have authentic skills like speaking, which is, productive skill, which is very mm, uncompatible to other things. If you are good at any language, you must be able to produce that language from your mouth, to convey your message. That is their communicative competence, right? Conversational skill is very critical in my career as well. It's really different from conventional Korean education. So today, I'm going to wrap up today's first lecture, first video. If you, uh, as I told you, I have, you know, too many days, too many years spending, uh, you know, to improve my English skills. So there are a lot of things in my mind. Hopefully, I'd like to share my ideas with you, and also English must be a means of communication for other people with other people from different country. So that's why I'd like to share and my ideas and exchange uh, your ideas, and I'd like to learn a lot of things from you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you are satisfied with my video, and if you are wondering about Korean English education system, and you know uh, that's all. Thank you.